Hey there guys, Artistic Nick here, thanks for the click. In today's drawing, I'm going to be drawing Chota Bheem. This is an Indian cartoon hit series. I've recently been having a look through my analytics on YouTube, and I've noticed that quite a lot of you guys that are watching my videos are from India. So I just wanted to say thank you so much for that, and I just thought that I'd do a little bit of research, and I came up with the #1 cartoon series that you guys are watching at the moment or have been recently, and it's this character here called Chota Bheem. Now I don't know anything about Chota Bheem, so I'd love to know a little bit more about him. So let me know down in the comments below a little bit more about Chota Bheem and what you like about him. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well, guys, if you like this and drawing tutorial videos. I'm also going to be doing some live draw along videos quite soon, so I'd love your feedback and some ideas on what you'd like me to cover, whether you'd like me to do some cartoon work, some realistic stuff, or whether you'd like me to do a sort of a basics how to draw. So connect with me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. You can get all of those links in the descriptions below, and I'd love to, like I say, I'd love to know what you think about some future content, and also what you'd like me to cover in the live drawing sessions. So with this picture, I added a comic panel that you can see in the background that I'll be colouring in black. The main colour that I'm using with my Copic markers for this is a sand colour. I used a brown for his hair, and I used an acid yellow for his wristbands and his necklace. The orange that I'm using is a chrome orange. It's one of my favourite colours that I've got in my Copic marker set. I don't get an opportunity to use it that much, so I think that this looked rather nice. I've got some brown on the shoes. It's quite a simple drawing. He looks a pretty cool character. I'm guessing he's into martial arts. Just by the look of this. Like I say, I've not seen the cartoon before, so I'd love to know a little bit more from you guys down in the comments below. So don't forget to let me know who your favourite character from this series is. If there's any more characters that you'd like me to draw, just send them in. I am currently doing requests. This isn't one of them. This is just one that I thought you guys might like. It's really fantastic if you'd give me a like and a share, and like I say, don't forget to subscribe and turn the notifications icon on, because I am doing daily videos at the moment, and like I say, I'm also going to be doing my live draw along sessions, which would be great if you could tune in. It's also really important to let me know what time zone you're in, so that I can get a rough idea of when to produce these. That's my finished drawing. I've really enjoyed doing this. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great day. Hit subscribe, smack the notifications button, follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.